So here we have the both angle arms, and this one has a 25-degree angle here. That's the standard one, and what we've done is we've made this actually 18 degrees angle. You wouldn't think it'd make much difference, but it does. Here's a closer look, and as you can see there's not hardly no difference, so we'll get on with it and we'll show you how it's done. So first, of course, you heat it, start the heat going up. I'll just speed this up. It takes about 2 minutes to do. And then once this is done, we'll just go and put it in the vise like this and just level it up there and put it in the vise like this. Tighten, make sure it's straight. And then you just proceed to bend it back to about 18 degrees. I don't know, it's just sort of hit and miss thing. And hold this. We'll just check it with the one I've already done, and I'll let it for a couple of minutes to set. I've quick forwarded and I just checked it, and it seems like it's right to go. And I'll just show you a couple of videos of me using this angle arm on the windows. What we're using is a 12-inch Wagtail with the Concavex disc on it. It's got the flipper thing on it, and we're using an old pole I used to use with the angle on the angle arm. So we'll start with this. This is just a ground level one, and I've got the pole extended, and I'll just scrub it, and I find just as easy as straight pulls down, round, down, and that's it. So here's a much higher window, and we'll show you how it's done. You can see with the lesser angle on the arm, it makes it much easier to maneuver your squeegee. And doing just straight pulls like this, we're only using a 12-inch one, but I suppose you could use a large one if you wanted to. But basically that's how it's done, and I suppose that's about it.